Hello YouTube, my name is Hannah and you're watching youtube.com/therealbbd, otherwise known as Big Bitch Diva. And today is kind of a bye week in my channel. I'm going to be showing you a video of a cruise I went on over this past break, just to kind of update you on what's been going on like I did last week. But I will be back next week with some more material. I don't know, we'll see what I come up with. And I hope you enjoy. Bye!
Alright, so here you guys are, just waiting to gather instructions and go into the water. Alright, so there's the dolphin, there's Hannah and Robbie, and there goes the dolphin, whoop, over there. And I'm assuming he's coming back. And we'll just wait for him. And waiting. There he is. He's swimming out with the lady, I think. swim, swim, swim. All those years of swimming lessons has paid off. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Or not. Oh, I see a dolphin. There it is. And there goes Robbie.
Out into the ocean.
He can steer. Woo! Here are my children just waving. Hi, Hannah. Yes, I'm taking a picture of you. And slow and steady wins the race. Here comes Robbie lagging behind. Not sure what you guys are doing in the middle of the water, but there you are. High five and holding hands. I love my children. There you are. Are you gonna have a water fight with the dolphin? Is that the deal? Oh, there it is, the dolphin. Bye bye, bye bye, dolphin.